Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our 2017 67 plate BMW 220. I'll just take you around the bodywork and I'll take you inside and I'll point out any features along the way. Start with the front left quarter. See, you've got your front parking sensors. Glare of the sun makes it a bit difficult to see. That's the bonnet. Windscreen, down to the front left tyre. Good tread on the tyres. Again, good tread on the tyres. Slight curve into the wheel, back left. You see from this angle, there's no nasty dents down the left-hand side. Oops. Sorry, we've been using the car, so dog's towels are in the back. But plenty of boot space. You've got your rear parking sensors here, out to the back right. On the right, as you can see, there's no nasty things. There's a tiny little bit there, but again, nothing major. Good tread on the tyres. Again, some slight curving on the wheels. Down the right hand side. Good tread on the tyres. Taking you inside now. You've got these lovely black Dakota leather seats. Your lumbar support on the seats there, and electric windows. So inside you've got your cruise control on your leather steering wheel with your audio controls. Got this nice red trim throughout the car, which you get for sport models. On the clock there's 35,039 miles only. Coming up to your main infotainment centre. We've got your, it's not really flashing, it's just a camera. You've got your FM, your AM and your digital radio stations. Onto your multimedia, you've got your CD, your external device, you've got your Bluetooth and your auxiliary input. Bluetooth telephone. Your sat nav. And your vehicle information. So you can see there, no faults. So you can get the service history out. Your sport displays here. I think it's an online service history. So you can see it's last serviced by BMW in 2019. Coming down here, you've got your climate control. Down here you've got your cup holders and space, and here you've got your automatic gearbox, gear shifter, and you've got your flappy paddles up here. On here you can change the, you've got your sports and your sport plus mode. And here's your infotainment interface. Auxiliary input and USB port. And yeah, that pretty much sums it up the inside. Automatic wipers, automatic lights. Very, very nice car. Show you in the back. So you've got 2 seats in the back with your ISOFIX points. That pretty much sums up the car. If you're interested in this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call on 07917 033 781. We can answer any further questions you may have and potentially put you in a viewing. We'll sort out delivery. The car comes with a 1 year warranty, 1 year MOT, 1 year AA breakdown cover. And if you'd like to find out more information about us as a company or about this vehicle, feel free to check out our website, taylors4acar.com. Hope you're well, and I hope to hear from you soon. Happy New Year, bye bye.